Please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering concepts. In this video lecture, I will explain you how to apply the column orientation by using AutoCAD software. Okay, so this is one of the most important concept as per the architectural point of view. Okay, so basically moment equals to, we have the formula force multiplied by perpendicular distance. So basically if you take the force constant value, basically the moment is perpendicular to your respective distance d. Okay, so here if you increase the moment value, basically the distance is also increases. So in the same process, if increases the distance between the each column or each section, basically the value of your respected moment is also increases. So if the moment is increases, basically we need to provide the extra reinforcement. So to avoid this respected problem, so we need to provide the proper column orientation for that respected floor plan. So in this video I will explain you how to apply the column orientation for that respected floor plan by using AutoCAD software. So in my previous video I was already explained how to make the 10 floor apartment building. So for that respected plan only, initially I will explain you the column orientation. So go to AutoCAD software. So this is my floor plan which is related to the 10 floor apartment building. So I was already explained how to model this respected structure by using AutoCAD software in my previous video. So you can follow that respected video. I will provide you that video link in above cot link and below description of this respected video. So here initially we need to continue with column sections. So for this respected section, initially I will apply the column orientation for the top portion. So you can apply the same procedure for the respected left hand side portion as well as your right hand side portion. Okay, so for this respected section, initially we need to consider, so it will be consisting of bedroom, dressing room, living room, and some toilets here, kids room and kitchen portion here. So basically before applying any kind of the column orientation, initially we need to create the columns here. So initially I will create the column with the polyline command, PL enter. So for this respective section, just I am considering 1 feet 6 inches in horizontal section. Again I am considering 9 inches in vertical section, and horizontal section will be comes under your respective distance of 1 feet 6 inches. C enter. So now we can see the column is drawn here like this. So now we have to copy this respected column in order to create the vertical section. So click on copy, select the base point. Again I will rotate this respected model. So initially we need to model this respected sample column and section before proceeding to the orientation. So basically orientation is depends upon the perpendicular distance for that respected wall section. So basically we are consider the horizontal section will be consisting of the wall here, and vertical section will be consisting of your respected walls here like this. Okay, so initially we need to apply the column sections here. So in order to apply the column section at this respected position, so we have two types of the columns here, which is related to the horizontal length column and vertical length column. So but initially we need to measure the distance in horizontal position as well as vertical position for this respected room. So for that, go to your respected linear option, select the point here. Again we have to select the point here. So it will be consisting of your respected distance of 14 feet 9 inches. In the same process, we need to measure the vertical distance for this respected section. Select the starting point. Again we have to select the ending point here. So which is comes under your respected distance of your respected 19 feet 2 inches. So basically this respected distance is less and this respected distance is high. So for that we need to provide the column orientation which is related to the vertical section only for this corner. So click on copy option, select this respected column section, click on enter option, select the corner point here. Again we have to attach this respected corner point like this. Okay, so in the same process we need to apply the orientation for this respected column section also. So for that we have to delete this. So initially we need to apply the line command, select this line. So just I am trimming all the portions here. So initially we need to measure the vertical section lines and horizontal section lines. So here we know horizontal section line will be consisting of your respected distance of 14 feet 9 inches, and we have to measure the vertical distance section for this room. So select this respected point. Let us consider, again I am selecting this respected point which is comes under your respected distance of 12 feet 8 inches. Again this respected distance will be comes under your respected point of 14 feet 9 inches. So the horizontal distance is higher than your vertical distance. So for that reason only we need to proceed with this respected column which is related to the horizontal section. Copy here, select the base point. Let us consider. Again we have to click on F8 option. So now we have to select this respected corner. Now we can see the column is applied here. So in the same process we need to apply the column for this respected section also. So basically it is comes under your horizontal distance of 14 feet 9 inches and vertical distance of, let us take it as 12 feet for this room. So basically the horizontal distance is higher in this respected case. So for that reason only we need to continue with the horizontal column. So click on copy option. So let us consider this respected column section. Click on enter. Select this column. Again we have to orient this respected column to this corner position like this. Okay, so now in the same process we need to apply the column for the remaining section. Let us consider this respected point. So before that we need to apply the line here. Let us consider the line, horizontal line for this section. Just I am considering. So click on copy. Let us consider the column which is related to the horizontal position. So click on the base point. Let us take. So click on F8 option. Now we can see all the points are selected here like this. Okay, so after applying the column position we need to apply the column position for the right hand side section also. So for this respected section also, basically it will be consisting of horizontal distance of, let us measure the distance initially. Select the first point, select the second point. This is also comes under your respected distance of 14 feet 9 inches. So the vertical distance is also same for this respected bedroom section. Select this column. Again we have to select the point here. Again we have to select this respected point which is comes under the distance of, let us take it as 18 feet 9 inches. The vertical distance is higher in your respected bedroom section. So that's why we need to follow with the vertical column and section. So click on copy option. Let us consider. Select the column. Click on enter option. Select the base point. Again you have to attach this respected base point like this. Okay, so in the same process we need to measure the distance which is related to the vertical portion here. So for this respected portions also it is consisting of vertical distance is less than horizontal direction which is related to the left hand side direction here. So for that reason only initially I am considering the horizontal lines here. Let us consider. Select the starting point, ending point. Again we have to consider the horizontal line. L enter here. Select the starting point, ending point. So now we have to apply the column section which is related to the horizontal section. So click on copy. Select this respected column. Click on enter option. Select the corner section. Let us take. So we have to attach this respected point like this. Again we have to attach this respected point. So for that copy option, select all these points. Click on enter. Select the base point here. Again we have to attach this respected point like this. Now we have to draw the column at this portion. So click on initially extend this line. So select the horizontal distance. Why? Because for this respected room section it will be consisting of higher distance of 13 feet 7 inches in horizontal position than vertical position. So click on copy. Select these respected points. Click on enter. Select this corner point. Again we have to select the point here. Okay, so now we are done with the respected columns at the corner section. Now it is important to draw the orientation for the center columns also. So before that initially we need to copy this respected two column section. Just I am selecting the base point. Just I am copying the samples here. Okay, now we need to draw the orientation for the respected internal section. So internal section is also we need to consider the distance here. So for this column it will be consisting of the vertical distance is higher than horizontal distance. So that's why we need to proceed with the vertical column and section. Copy here. Let us take this column. Click on enter option. Select the column here. Let us take. So click on this respected point. Again in the same process for the remaining section also vertical distance is higher for that respected portion than horizontal distance. Select this column. Again we have to select the point here like this. Okay, now we have to draw the column section at this. So for that initially we need to measure the distance here. So basically the distance between this respected portion is comes under your respected distance of 8 feet 6 inches. So the distance between the vertical section we need to measure initially. The distance between the vertical section comes under 12 feet 8 inches in this respected portion. Again for that respected remaining section it is comes under distance of approximately I think 19 feet. Yeah, so 19 feet 2 inches. Okay, so in both the directions for the top section rooms as well as your bottom section rooms which is greater than the horizontal distance. So that's why we need to provide the column section which is related to the vertical members only. Let us consider. Click on copy here. Copy this respected base point. Again in the same process we need to select the copy. Select this. Click on enter. Copy. Select the respected point here. Okay, now in the same process we need to measure the distance which is related to the horizontal vertical. So for this respected room which is consisting of respected 12 feet 8 inches and horizontal distance will be comes under your respected distance of 12 feet. So basically the higher distance will be obtained in your vertical position than horizontal position. So for that we need to proceed with the copy command. So select the copy, select this, enter, select the base point here. Again we have to attach this respected base point like this. Again in the same process we need to apply the copy command. Select this respected portion. Click on enter option. Select the column. Again we have to attach this respected point here like this. So in the same process we need to measure the distance for the remaining rooms. So the remaining rooms will be consisting of your respected horizontal distance is higher than vertical distance. So for that reason only we need to proceed with the horizontal column and sections. So for that initially I am drawing the lines here. Let us consider the lines like this. Now we have to copy the horizontal column. CO enter. Let us consider this respected column. Click on enter. Select the base point here. Again we have to attach this respected base point like this. So again in the same process we need to apply the copy command which is related to this respected section. Again we have to select the column here. Again we have to attach this respected column at this position like this. Now we have to remove all these respected vertical lines as well as your horizontal lines and distance for this respected floor plan. So after that we have to trim all the lines which is inside this respected column. TR double enter. So we have to trim this column. In the same process we need to trim all the column sections. Now all the columns are done here, so except this respected vertical section. So basically for this vertical section initially we need to draw the lines from this starting point. Let us consider. Again we have to draw the lines from this respected starting point. So for this respected starting points it will be consisting of your balcony which is comes under your respected distance of 11 feet. Okay, so now we have to measure the distance in horizontal position. Let us consider the starting point. Let us consider the second point which is comes under the distance of 14 feet. Okay, so for that reason only the horizontal distance is higher than the vertical distance here. So for that we have to apply with the columns which is related to the horizontal section only. Copy here, select the base point here. Let us consider the distance point here like this. Again we have to consider the point here like this. Again in the same process we need to consider the point. Let us consider the point here like this. Again we have to consider the point. Let us consider the point here like this. Now we have to remove this. So after applying the column orientation we need to delete this respected sample columns. Now we have to fill this respected column with the color. So for that let us consider the hatch command, H enter. So here I am considering the lines which is related to the 45-degree line. So initially we need to consider this. So just I am considering the color which is of red color. Just I am considering the scale is 10. So let us consider the column sections like this. Just I am considering this. Again in the same process we need to apply the hatch for the remaining column and sections here. Now all the columns are applied here with the hatching here like this. So this is the final diagram after applying the column orientation formula. So this is one of the most important concept. So if the distance is higher for that respected direction, we need to provide the higher dimensions of the column for that respected section. Okay, so this is the column orientation for this respected portion. In the same process you can apply the column orientation for this respected section and this respected section. Okay, so this is the process. If you have any queries about this respected column orientation process by using AutoCAD software, please text me your questions in the below comment box. I will try to give the answers for that respected questions. Thank you.